Did you start?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna have that chica dimwit over there try to go from the counter on top of the refrigerator.
Without touching the floor.
Without the, yeah, exactly. Thank you.
Okay.
And go.
You're gonna have to wash
What if that stove was on? She put her foot right on the burner.
I mean, it's really zoomed in.
Wow, it's pretty dirty up here.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Please.
Oh my God, Haley, you're gonna get hurt so bad.
You know we messed up?
All of our paper that is on the refrigerator is
You know
all
we
gonna
messed
fall.
up? If she jumps onto the refrigerator and she falls and the refrigerator falls on top of her.
Oh God.
That'd be scary.
I don't know that.
You're not scared now? Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
She's like a monkey.
What?
You're not Spider-Man, dear.
She's gonna try to go for the. What is that?
You could have used that a few minutes ago.
Good.
So, if you had a certain amount of time to get from there to there,
Yeah.
Probably would have failed by now.
your life depends on jumping to the refrigerator, Haley, what would you do?
Jump.
Okay, you're stuck in a cliff between wolves and that's the helicopter. Would you jump? No, she wouldn't. She'll just try and reach
Daddy,
for
take
the-
off all the stuff that's on our refrigerator.
That's okay, she got this.
She will not jump. She will just try and reach the helicopter with her bare hands.
Oop, I'm sorry.
Good thing that they don't went between the stove.
Fortunately, these are all our bills.
And what was that? A Chico stick?
Okay.
Okay.
Nothing's in your way, no obstacles.
Oh God.
Well,
Haley, okay, just letting you know before you start. Do you realize that if you put your foot there and you lift up, that your head is going straight through the ceiling? Oh my God!
What?
I deem this impossible. Okay.
No, it's not impossible.
this is pretty impossible unless you're Spider-Man.
I don't care. She's
I will be-
determined. I am highly entertained.
Haley, if you could get like your elbows past that part,
Do
you'll
you
be
have
good.
insurance?
I don't know.
Try jumping.
Are there any pillows? Can you put some pillows?
I know the kids have pillows. I think they're downstairs actually.
Pillows and blankets, bubbles.
Okay, while we're in intermission, do you have
Why don't
anything
you
to
tell
say?
the people about yourself?
Okay, so I'm 13. I'm a girl, obviously. I
She's a dimwit.
like ducks. I had a pet duck once, long ago. Yeah, his or her name was Ming Ming. I love the duck to death, but I let it out.
Grandma won't be back till a year from now. She won't mind if we use her pillows.
Okay, no, then you need to spread them out.
Chill. I got this.
And I'm in 8th grade, and
And she clearly don't care about her life.
I love my life, but I like to have fun.
Yeah, because throwing a bag with a phone in it is too dangerous while you're holding two knives in your hand.
Yeah, I had another thing before I did this. Long story. Okay. Wow, that was so much fun.
It looks farther now.
Yeah.
With the pillows underneath you.
Haley, I'm so scared for you right now.
Let me guess. from my angle, that board right there, that shelf looks like it's falling. So whatever you do, don't grab onto it. Just letting you know. From this end, it looks like it's loose.
It does look like it's loose from here too.
There's a white spot. There's like, it's all blue and then there's white.
Yeah, so that's my advice to you. Not to grab onto that. Okay.
Yeah. How long has it been so far?
5 minutes.
This is a long video.
My goal is to get it within 10 minutes.
If this video reaches 10 minutes, that's
Nobody's gonna watch it. So
You can edit it.
you're not putting this on YouTube. So
You can edit it anyways.
Yes, we are. Are we? I thought we were putting this on YouTube. That's why I did it.
oh, okay. Sorry.
Then hurry up!
Hold on.
Because I'm not putting a 10-minute video on YouTube.
You can edit it. You can crack.
Yeah, you can trim it and stuff.
Scratch whatever we're saying now.
Yeah, because
Gotta get us push it back first.
we clearly have some conversation that's gonna be in the
The
video.
whole me getting the pillow can go.
Yeah, the whole duck thing can go.
I think I might rip a hole in my pants.
Please don't.
If I fail, can I retry?
No.
It's your life, not mine.
Oh my god. I feel like we should have padded corners of everything. 3, 2.
No.
Oh.
We're intense.
Haley, let me just ask you this one question. If you were trapped at the edge of a cliff and there was wolves, and the only way to get
I
off
feel
was
like
a helicopter.
you can jump that, but
Actually, I really prefer she takes her time.
A
I want her
helicopter.
to miss the refrigerator and the
Can I say a question?
Because
A helicopter. Would you jump on the helicopter?
No.
yeah, I would. But there's no helicopter. It's
Pretend that's your helicopter and you're jumping for it.
Well, where's the blade?
helicopter blades.
Oh, that's she's a plane.
what?
Paper is making me very nervous. And
The papers are making you nervous.
yes.
The papers, not the distance, the papers.
If mom and dad sees
my
this,
Lord.
they're going to kill us.
Maybe you should put us some gym shoes. That might give you some.
No, because that's cheating.
Nigga, I think she's making crap.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Knock it down.
Okay, now get back on the same counter.
Just jump from there onto the pillows. Don't get onto the counter.
No, get on the pillows. Door.
I'm gonna try to get to the counter.
Smooth criminal. Now push.